Hey guys, my name is Pedro, and in today's video we are going to review another great project which is called BYDFI Exchange. It's a Singapore based cryptocurrency exchange which was found in 2020. But before we get into the further details of this project, do know that anything I will say is not going to be any financial or investment advice. It is clearly up to you whether to invest or not. I will just give information about this project and I will try my best to briefly explain each and everything for you guys. So without any further ado, let's start. So here we are at the official website of BYDFI. The website provides a user-friendly platform for individuals to engage in trading in various financial instruments. It offers a sleek and modern design, making it easy for users to navigate through different sections and access essential features. The website provides comprehensive information about BYDFI's services, including account registration, trading options, deposit and withdrawal methods, and customer support. It offers advanced tools, real-time market data, and a wide range of order types, giving you full control over your trades. But first, let's learn about BYDFI's exchange. It's a leading cryptocurrency trading platform that specializes in perpetual contracts. Perpetual contracts allows you to speculate on the price movements of various assets without actually owning them. As I already told, its headquarters are in Singapore. BYDFI provides safe, easy, and fast crypto asset trading services in more than 150 countries. It aims to bring the ultimate simplified trading experience to customers. BYDFI was launched in 2020 under the name of BitYard. It has since rebranded to become BYDFI. BYDFI stands for Build Your Dream Finance. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Etherum, Litecoin, Doge, and other altcoins. They have more than 116 trading pairs, including BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT, Doge USDT, and many more. You can get your first coin in 30 seconds by creating an account on BYDFI, buy the coin with your credit card, bank transfer, or other options, and more mystery box can be achieved. So the question is, why to choose BYDFI? The main reasons are given on the platform that they have 500,000 plus users in over 150 countries. They have multiple licenses, which makes them reliable and regulated. It's one-stop trading platform. It has copy trading and easy deposit withdrawal mechanism. Then we have the BYDFI affiliate program. You can earn up to 40% of the trading fees earned by BYDFI from the trades generated by your referrals. There is no expiry date on the referrals traded either, which is actually a great thing, as many exchanges only allow affiliate commission for the first 12 months of a referral activity on the platform. Moving ahead, you can have the welcome rewards by completing easy tasks, and you can get up to $2,888. It includes signing up reward, Google authenticated reward, anti-phishing code reward, joining the community reward, first deposit reward, and many more. So this exchange benefits its user in a lot of ways by giving easy and simple tasks. It's very user friendly and easy to use, especially for the beginners. Now moving ahead, let's talk about the key features of BYDFI. They have spot trading, perpetual trading, copy trading, paper trading, and crypto brokerage. First we have the spot trading. BYDFI allows traders to interact with peers within the spot market, where trades are settled immediately. In this section, users can buy or sell cryptocurrencies using either market or limit orders. There are 3 versions of the spot interface that allow users to execute their trades, and they are direct conversion, classic spot market, and advanced spot market. Then we have the perpetual futures trading. Perpetual trading, also known as perpetual contracts. Perpetual futures are contracts between buyers and sellers of a particular asset that represents their interest and the condition in which payment is to be settled at an unspecified future date. These contracts are tradable on open markets, with speculators taking positions based on their future price projection. BYDFI offers 4 kinds of derivatives based on cryptocurrencies, and they are light contracts, USDT M contracts, Coin M contracts, and leverage tokens. We will learn about the leverage tokens later in the video, but first let's see how we can do perpetual contract or perpetual trading by using $100. When engaging in perpetual trading on BYDFI exchange with an investment of $100, it's important to understand the key concept involved. Perpetual contracts allow traders to speculate on the price movement of an underlying asset without owning the actual asset. What you need to do? First, you have to deposit $100 in your DeFi account. Then, you need to select perpetual contract selection on the BYDFI exchange. I choose Bitcoin USDT perpetual contract. After selecting the pair, you need to select suitable leverage level based on the risk tolerance and trading strategy. If you choose 10x leverage, it means you can control a position size that is 10 times the value of your investment. After that, you need to select positioning opening. In perpetual trading, you can go long or short time by anticipating the price size. By using a $100 investment with 10x leverage, you will have a total position size of $1,000. Now you need to keep an eye on the price movement of BTC USDT contract. If the graph rises, you will generate profit. Remember one thing, it's essential to set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk and protect your investment. Then we have the leverage tokens. They offer the most extensive range of leverage tokens available in the market. BYDFI Sports leverage tokens cover a wide spectrum of popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, Link, ADA, Atom, BNB, Doge, etc. The expanded selection enables the traders to easily access leverage position on their favorite digital assets, enhancing their ability to take advantage of price fluctuations and optimize their trading strategies. These leverage tokens can be traded globally, allowing users from around the world to participate. It's worth noting that leverage tokens provide traders with amplified exposure to the underlying asset price movements. Now let's talk about the other features of BYDFI. BYDFI supports over 80 plus crypto assets and more than 100 trading pairs. It offers copy trading, allowing new traders to learn from experienced traders and share their strategy journey with the community. Then, BYDFI offers demo trading, which allow users to test trading strategies and become familiar with the platform. Then, it offers diverse range of trading products, including spot, leverage pairs, and perpetual with up to 200x leverage. The platform is highly regulated, providing users with peace of mind that their asset and personal information are handled appropriately. Then moving ahead, if we talk about the BYDFI perpetual contracts features, it has low slippage, liquidity and depth similar to Binance, maximum leverage of up to 200x, setting BYDFI apart from other exchanges that typically offer maximum leverage of 100x or up to 125x. Then BYDFI has special events for you. All of your users, if they are from the United States or Canada and complete the KYC process as well as first deposit of $100, they will receive a $100 perpetual contract trading bonus. Furthermore, all of users who deposit USDT using a credit card will receive a perpetual contract fee rebate equivalent to the remaining balance after deducting the transaction amount. Now, if you compare BYDFI with other exchanges, you can see clear difference between them. BYDFI fee is 0.06%, which is very low as compared to other. It has 150 plus derivatives pairs. Its max leverage is 200x. None of the other exchanges offer this much. Then you get copy trading, free demo trading, deposit and withdrawal without KYC, and trade without KYC. So let's conclude this project. BYDFI is a reliable and accessible cryptocurrency exchange that provides a range of trading products for everyone from beginners to experts. With its simple to use interface, copy trading feature, and paper trading feature, it's an ideal platform for those who are new to crypto trading. The platform supports hundreds of crypto assets and markets and has a highly secure environment. The customer support team is responsive and the sign-up process is very easy. So that's it from Review. Join them on their social media handles. I will place all the links in the video description and I will see you guys in the next one shortly. Stay tuned.